Construction sites are bustling hubs of activity, but they're also vulnerable to theft, vandalism, and other security threats. At Cerberus Security and Patrol, we provide construction site security services that protect your valuable equipment, materials, and project timeline. Our security personnel are trained to monitor access points, control site entrances, and conduct regular patrols to ensure that only authorized personnel are on site. We understand the unique challenges of securing a construction site and work closely with your team to develop a security plan that keeps your project on track and secure. With Cerberus, you can focus on building, knowing that your site is protected by expert